Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about display over other features not found on your Android devices or the iOS devices, the iPhones. Okay, so today I'm showing you guys how to set up that. Don't forget subscribe. Okay, let's start. Go to your phone settings and look for the about settings, basically on the system settings, and trace down the build number settings. Yeah, once you get that, just tap on it like 7 times to enable the developer options, just activating the developer options for your phone. Once you're done, now you can open your developer options, then you scroll down until you get the USB debugging option and activate the USB debugging option. Yeah, and also activate the wireless debugging options, but you need to be connected to a Wi-Fi to access the Wi-Fi debugging options. So you need to connect your device to Wi-Fi. I'm already connected. Okay, so once that is done, you can now go to your Play Store and download two apps, the App Ops and the Shizuku apps. Yeah, I already downloaded the apps. I'm not doing it again, so they are free, not purchased from Play Store, the App Op and the Shizuku app. Once you finished installing the apps, open the App Ops and then enable install from Shizuku and then press continue. Then press open Shizuku. Once you're there, press pairing and then the developer options. Scroll down to debugging, then press on it and select pair device with pairing code, and you will receive a random code and a tab will appear on your notification bar. Fill the code on the tab, then press send, and it will say you can now start Shizuku services now. Once you're done, and it will say please try to disable and enable the wireless debugging if it is still searching or something like that. Then press on the developer option, scroll down and disable, then enable back the wireless debugging option. Once that is done, open your Shizuku app and it will start coding. Yeah, let it finish coding. Then once that is done, go back to your app ops and allow all the time use, and it will process all your apps. Yeah, when that is done, you can now access all your app options and enable the display of other apps to the respected apps you want. Yeah, the recording apps, the YouTube, Zenda, every app that you want to enable the display of other apps, you can now do that. Just press on the app, then scroll down and look for the display over other apps options, then enable that and you're good to go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like.